Hey friends, do you want to start a new YouTube channel? And do you want to know what kind of tools you should have or you need to create or to have for your YouTube channel? If you don't know about that, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to tell you some important tools that you can grow your YouTube channel very fast. So, my name is Rishi Goyal and welcome to my YouTube channel, MultiTasking India. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, for your YouTube channel, you should have a very basic application on your mobile, and also if you are using your laptop or a computer, then you should have a YouTube application for your Windows, and for your mobile application, oh sorry, for the Android, if you are using the Android or iOS iPhone, then you should have an application of YouTube. And the second most important part of YouTube application is YT Studio. So these two applications you should have for your YouTube channel. Second thing, second tool, you can use Canva. Canva is a pro editing tool where you can edit your videos, you can add music on your videos, and you can do a lot of editing on your photos, and you also get a lot of templates there. Okay, and also you can create a creative thumbnail on Canva for your YouTube videos. Okay, so first tool is YouTube application, second tool is YT Studio, third tool is Canva, and now I am going to tell you some more important tools like InShot application. Lot of YouTube creators and a lot of people are using InShot application to edit their videos, to create, to add some animations and creative text on their videos. So InShot application is very popular. I am also using an InShot application, so you can also use it, try it, explore it, and then you will get to know about the InShot application. Okay, after that, if you want to record your screen, okay, on your like mobile version, or if you want to record your screen on your laptop, then you can use two tools. One is Irion webcam, and the second one is the open camera app. So these two tools you can use it. And for editing tools, more editing tools, like if you want to go any pro version, but that will not be a free, that will be a paid, and you will have to learn those editing tools. So if you want to go in a professional editing tool, then you can use Adobe Premiere Pro, which is a video editing tool. Or if you want to edit your photos, if you want to add some photos on your videos, then you can go for the Adobe Photoshop. So these are the paid version, but you can do a lot of professional photography or photograph editing and video editing there. Okay, after that, you can also use one tool named Power Director. It is also a video editing tool. You can add animations, you can add voiceover, you can denoise your background noise, and you can do a lot of editing in that application. And you can also use a Snapseed. And if you want to have more creative text then on your videos, then you can obviously use the Canva Pro version. You also get a free version, but you can also go for the Pro version. Pro version has a lot of more features and the creativeness, so you can go for that. And uh, if I say about more tools, then you can also use the Lightroom. If you want to add some light on your like videos or photos, then you can use the Adobe Lightroom. And if you want to edit your voice and you want that your voice should be audible to your audience very clearly, then there are some tools like Lexi Audio Editor. And then you can, if you're using the mobile version, then you can go for the Lexi Auditor. If you are using the laptop version, Windows or iOS, then you can go for the Audacity. These are the free tools that you can use to edit your audio and enhance your audio quality. Okay. And if you want to use through your laptop, I mean your Windows or iOS version, then you can go for the paid version, paid tool, that is of Adobe. Adobe Audition. It's also a tool where you can, enhance your video audio quality. So you can use that tool and you can go for it. Okay. That's all, guys. Today in this video, I want to discuss about some tools that you can use for your YouTube channel, for your YouTube videos, so that you can grow your YouTube channel very easily and fastly. And also, it will improve a lot of your skills. And you can also go in your designing. You can enhance your designing, like whenever you try to edit some videos or photos, obviously you become a designer. Okay. And if you create a content on YouTube, then you are a content creator, you are a designer, and you are a YouTuber as well. So you are a proper influencer marketer, right? So if you want to enhance your skills, you can go for these tools. If you want to know some more tools, let me know in the comment section. I will tell you, I will personally explore that tool, how to use it, and how we can, enhance the things on YouTube videos, on our YouTube videos. And then we will discuss later on in the next video. So please, if you have any doubt in these tools, let me know in the comment section. If you have some other tools in your mind, you can share it with me in the comment section. We will discuss about it in the next video. If you want that video on that particular tool, we can discuss about it. And if you like this video, and if you think that this video is very informative, please like and share it. And please do not forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification icon so that you can also get the latest content from my end. And thank you so much and have a great day.